Yes, good morning students. In last video we discussed about the changing of WH word or question WH word or interrogative sentences in indirect speech. In this video we will discuss how the imperative sentences change in indirect speech. So see here, changing of imperative sentences in indirect speech, which shows command, order, advice or requested. It means those type of sentences which shows command, advice or request are called the imperative sentences. So in this type of sentences, subject you is hidden and the sentence is started with verb. So subject you is hidden, we cannot see the subject in this type of sentences, and the sentence is started with verb. So let us see rule number 1. Reporting verb said will be changed according to the feeling of the reported speech sentence. So this reporting verb will be changed according to the feeling of the reported speech. Let us see, if order is given, then if order is given in the reported speech, then it will change in ordered or commanded. If advice is given in the if advice is given, then it will change in advised or urged. If request is given, then it will change in requested or begged. Got it? So let us see, next rule is here, to will be added before the verb of the reported speech. So before the verb of the reported speech, to will be added. After adding to, there will be no change in the verb. If we are adding to, then there will be no change. The sentence will remain same. Let us see, the teacher said to us, comma, inverted comma, listen to me when I teach. So the teacher ordered, this said to will be changed in ordered according to the feeling of the sentence. So teacher will give ordered, teacher will not do request. The teacher ordered us, comma, inverted comma, on the place of comma, inverted comma, to will be used as the connector. Listen to him, because me is the first person and it change according to subject. Subject में ही होता है और he का objective case him. When I change according to subject में he, it means the teacher he, so he teach, second form is taught. I hope you have understood. So the teacher ordered us to listen to him when he taught. So on the place of comma, inverted comma, to will be added and rest of thing will be remain same. Next, one more example is given here. He said to his friend, work hard. He said to his friend, work hard. So he said to will change in advice. So he advised his friend to, on the place of comma, inverted comma, connector, to will be added, work hard. Okay, because friend cannot give the order or command, so friend can advise only. So this is the feeling. Next example, the teacher said, comma, inverted comma, sit down boys. Now here object is not given, so the boys will think that boys is object here, so it will work as a object. So the teacher ordered the boys. The teacher ordered the boys on the place of comma to comma to sit down. So these vocative noun will be used here. Next rule number 3 is here. When reported speech is in negative. When reported speech is in negative means having do not, then it will change two types. If reported speech having do not, it means like here we can see, my father said to me, do not waste your time. So when reported speech having do not, then it is called the negative sense. Then do not will be removed and used to before the verb of the reported speech. Okay, do not will be removed and we will put here to before the verb. So my father said to change in forbade. My father forbade me. On the place of comma to comma to and do will be removed to waste my time. So do not will be removed, do not will be removed and forbade will be used. So whenever we use forbade, then do not will be removed. My father forbade me to waste my time. Okay, because forward shows the negative sense. Next sentence we will see, the teacher said to the boy, do not abuse anyone. So the teacher forbade the boy. On the place of comma to, do not will remove because we have written here forbade to abuse anyone. So it will remain same. I hope you understood. Next, second option is here. In second method, reporting verb said will be changed in ordered, advised or requested according to the feelings of the reported speech. So said to said will be changed in ordered, advised or requested according to the feelings of the reported speech. So in reported speech, what the feelings is coming, according to this feeling, this sentence we will take the feeling and we will use here order, request or advise. So see here sentence, she said to him, do not disturb me. She said to him, do not disturb me. So she, do not disturb me is here. So this is we can change it. She said to him, do not disturb me. So there can be advice or we can change in asked also. She asked him, do not do will remove and not to disturb her, because me is the first person and change according to subject. Subject is she and the objective case of she is her. So she asked him not to disturb her. See one more example. My father said to me, do not waste your time. Sorry, my brother said to change according to said to will change in advised. My brother advised me and do will remove and not to waste my time. You were change according to object. Object में क्या है मी का जो मी का possessive केस क्या होता है my. So my time. My brother advised me not to waste my time. I hope you understood. Next rule number 4 is here. When reported speech is started with never, then reporting verb will be changed in ordered, advised, etc. according to their feelings. Okay, and to will be used between never and verb. So see here, The teacher said to the student, never waste your time. Never waste your time. So what the rule is saying, when reported speech is started with never. So this is the reported speech and this is started with never. Okay, and then reporting verb will be changed in ordered or read. So this is reporting verb and this reporting verb will be changed in ordered advised accordingly. So here the teacher advised. So because reporting verb will be changed or advised or ordered, so the teacher advised the student never to waste his time. So what is said, the and to will be used between never and verb. So to will be used between never and verb. This is never and this is verb, and between never and verb to will be added. Okay, next one note is here, in the sentences where never is used, forbade will not be used. Okay, this is the very important thing, that whenever you find never in a sentence, so don't use forbade there because they give the same sense. Now rule number 5, when please kindly etc word is given in a reported speech. What is given? Please kindly, like see please and kindly. When please kindly is given in a reported speech, these words will remove. So these words please and kindly will remove. Please and kindly is given, then these words will remove and reporting verb will be changed in requested. And reporting verb will be changed in requested. Okay, if please kindly is given, then it will change in requested. So see examples. He said to me, comma inverted comma, please bring me a glass of water. Please bring me a glass of water. So he requested me. Said to will change in request because here please and kindly is given. That's why we can say that this is here request. So he requested me to bring him a glass of water. Please and kindly will remove, and the connector will be used to, on the place of comma inverted comma, will use to bring me. Me change according to subject, and subject is he, and he is here subjective case, and me is here in objective case. So what will be the object of he? So he is him. So him, a glass of water. Next, she said to Sita, kindly help me. So kindly, please kindly will remove. Okay, and requested will be added. So she said to change in request. She requested Sita, on the place of comma inverted comma, to help her, because me is the first person and change according to subject. Subject is she, and this is subjective case. When it will go in the objective case, then her. So she requested Sita to help her. I hope you have understood that how imperative sentences change in the indirect speech. So see you in the next video with other type of sentences. When other type of sentences are there, then how it will be changed. Okay, bye.